All right. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being on with us on today's global call, January 17, 2022. I'm excited to be able to be here with you guys. If you guys are on the live call right now, guys, do me a favor. Send out the link to any of your team members that may not be on the call right now. Send it to your groups. We're going to start the call, but we do have some important information regarding the compensation plan and stuff like that I want to make sure we get maximum exposure to directly from myself. This way the duplication can start on the process here. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much. Joe Martinez here, broadcasting from Salt Lake City, Utah, as usual. It is a bright and early morning here in the US, and I want to thank you guys for being on from all over the world, especially you guys out in India. I know it's pretty late out there. So with that, guys, as usual, if you guys are newer to our company, you guys will soon find out that we as a company on a weekly basis, on all our presentations, on anything that we do, we talk about the purpose of our company, the reason that we exist, the reason that we created this phenomenal community with a great compensation plan, with a phenomenal product line, because we're here to help you innovate, inspire, and impact your life. We started IEX in the beginning of the pandemic, okay? Lots of people didn't know what they were gonna do. Financially, different countries were going into lockdown. People were not able to work. And this gave them the ability to work from home. It gave them the ability to make money from their phone. It gave them the ability to inspire and impact other people's lives around India, around the globe, around the world. And we're excited that we're able to share this vision with you guys. Now, today's call is not about our products or our compensation. It's more about administrative stuff. If you're looking to learn more about our products and trading or education or the compensation plan, plug into our mega Zooms tomorrow, Tuesday. They're in all the different languages throughout all the world. Please make sure you're plugging into those and make sure that you get all the information that you need there. Today's call, like I said, is more about the administrative side. So on a weekly basis, we publish our results as a company. We pride ourselves in being as transparent as possible. And we ask you guys to help keep us that way now and forever. Now, these results are for our Telegram newsletter financial alerts. Now, what does that mean? If you're a member of IEX, you get access to our Telegram bot, which gives you access to different channels in different financial arenas. And these notifications tell you when to buy, when to sell, different currencies, different cryptos, different indices, whatever the financial instrument may be. Now, with that being said, I want you to understand your individual results will vary, and past performance does not guarantee future results. What does that mean? That means that everybody's going to have different results, and we can't guarantee next week results, okay? So we're publishing these results 1 week in the past, okay? So these results are for January 8th to January 14th, last week, okay? Weekly results in our Forex arena, 3,295 total pips coming across all of our Forex channels there. Binary option, 55% win rate. Cryptocurrency, 20% account growth. Indices, 17% account growth. India markets, our India Markets Pro, from our traditional equity to the options to the Forex, 82% win rate. Shout out to those traders there. And 0 on our sports trading alerts channels. 0 alerts were sent out this last week for that arena. So with that being said, guys, remember, I know Forex is the bulk of what we do. 3,295 total pips. If you guys are currently on any other tool, automations, different things like that, understand the markets are very volatile the beginning of the year. Okay, we have to take things slow. So if you're looking for bigger gains, bigger results that you can control, I recommend that you use the Telegram channels. Why? Because you're able to put in the lot size that you want. You're able to trade the currency pair that you want. And based on your education, you can take the trade or not take the trade. This gives you better control of your money. This is the way that I recommend you go. If you're looking and you're saying the automations aren't giving me the results that I want for whatever reason, guess what? Self-traded account, self-directed, copy paste, figure out your risk management. But remember, guys, past performance does not guarantee future returns. Investing in the financial markets, doesn't matter which one, Forex, binary, crypto, sports, whatever one, you may undergo losses, okay? You will undergo losses. Understand that. There is no system in the world that's going to get you 20, 30, 40% month in and month out. They might get it for 1 month. They might get it for 2 months, but I guarantee over time, you will end up washing out, blowing that account out. So consistent growth over time. I know some people do not like my philosophy. Hey, let's get 3%, 4%, 5% a month. I know some people aren't happy with it, but that's what's going to keep us together as a community long-term. And that's what's going to give us long-term success. If you're looking for a way to make money tomorrow, use our compensation plan. If you're looking to grow an account, use the different automations. If you're looking to make quicker money, use a self-directed account. We have an avenue for everybody. We have an avenue for everybody, okay? Investing should be boring. That's what they say. It should be like watching paint dry. And I want you guys to understand that. This is something that we do not control. We do not control the crypto market or the Forex market. Our educators, our traders, our analysts do the best they can to give you the best opportunities, but they are not perfect. EAs are not perfect. Bots are not perfect. So you can control your future by controlling your risk management. All right, guys. So moving on from our results as a company, this last week, guys, 871 new brand ambassadors. Now, I want to take note here, guys. Last week, we were down 2 days out of the week, okay? So our numbers were affected, our growth numbers, our enrollments, our volume was a little affected because we were down for basically 2 days. We were down 2 days, okay? 1 day for the implementation, another day for fixing major bugs. Now, with that being said, we still have some small bugs in the system. So translators, please help me articulate this. We still have a couple small bugs in the system. We've identified them. We found them, okay? We will be updating the code tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we'll be in a small maintenance window for a couple hours. But this is to fix the apprentice and the builder and I think even the producer levels. Some of those levels, we're not getting credited their bonus. So we're fixing that tomorrow. If you were one of the affected users, by tomorrow evening, okay, hopefully by this time tomorrow, all the accounts should be reflecting properly, okay? So last week we were down 2 days. Today we're going to be down for about 2 hours within the next 24 hours there. So our updates for January, I think I just want to kind of go through some of these things here really quickly. Our iBEYOND event. Our iBEYOND event is January 29th at 9 a.m. That's 9:30 p.m. IST, okay? Registration is open. If you go to ibeyond.us, you can register for this event. Make sure you save your seat. Make sure you get your code to get into this event. There is limited virtual seating, okay? It is not unlimited capacity. There is limited space. So please register, get your seat, okay, your virtual seat, if you will, for the event. If you want to get with people and get together with people and watch it on a big screen TV somewhere at somebody's home, at a leader's home, do so. okay? This will save us some capacity, but please understand, registration's open. It is first come, first serve. Please go register, separate your link, your seat, your code to get into our streaming event on January 29th. That's coming up in less than 2 weeks, guys, less than 2 weeks, okay? Real quick, I want to make sure, is everybody clear on that? If everybody's clear to go register today, put me the little fire emoji in the chat box. I want to make sure you guys have registered, okay? If you've already registered, go and put me the little fire emoji in the chat box. Put me the number 1, put me something. Let me know that you guys have already registered in this iBEYOND event. Perfect, perfect. So I'm starting to see those come through. Great. I understand, guys. This is a Saturday. We did it on a Saturday because we also want to announce some more stuff on Monday. So please be there live with us. Get on this event, secure your spot. This way you can get all the information on Saturday, and then on Monday's global call, you can come and get all the details, okay? I love this type of system that we have Saturday, Monday, because we're able to put out more information over the weekend. Now, last but not least here on our updates for the week. Last week, we launched our Forex 101 trainings for our US and Canada market. This is a 4-session event. It might be on a rotation. We're kind of just trialing it out right now. January 11th was the last week. January 18th is tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, we will be sending out the link via the English announcement channel. So if you're in the US, if you're in Canada, if you're in the Americas, if you want to log in, you speak English, get connected with the master swing trader on these Forex 101 trainings, okay? These will be going for the next 3 Tuesdays here. Now, shifting gears here a little bit. The compensation plan, okay? I've already made some notes about this, some notes that had some downtime. I just want to make sure some people or everybody is understanding some of these terms, okay? So as you can see here on your screen, we have the new term versus the old term. New term, rank bonus. Old term, VIP bonus. New term, team commission. Old term, binary bonus. New term, qualification structure. Old, sponsor tree. Placement structure was the binary tree. New term, direct bonus. Old term, sponsor bonus. Take a screenshot of this, write them down, put them in your notes, because from today moving forward, if you contact support, okay, there's new terms. Use the correct terms to communicate any issue you might be having with the compensation plan, or you might be having with the system, okay? We will be using these terms. They are updated in your back office. Write them down. There are more terms. But these are the primary ones that I wanted you guys to look at. I wanted you guys to see, okay? Understand these terms have changed in your back office. They've changed for our corporate staff, and they are changing for you. So please make sure you're using the correct term. This way we can get you guys all the information you guys need, okay? All right, and there's a note up there, make sure to access the new updated presentation deck. We have a version for India, a version for English, and a version for Spanish. So if you guys have not seen the new presentation deck with the new compensation plan embedded, please do so. Go download it from the marketing center. All right. Next but not least, and this is probably the most important part, the VIP transition plan. Now, translators, I know this might be a little difficult to articulate in a second language. However, we'll go slow, but I want you guys to tell the people this first. If you were in a current VIP cycle of week 2, week 3, or week 4, corporate will be making manual adjustments to your account to help you in the transition period, to help you get what you earned during the old VIP bonus plan. Now, how is this going to work? This is a general idea. individual, I won't want to say individual results, but your individual adjustment may depend on some different factors, because on what week you were on, what VIP level you were on, you know, different things like that. So this is just the general guiding principle. If you were on week 1 of your qualification of the VIP bonus playout, you're not going to get anything because you've already received your rank bonus on the new plan. Okay. If you were on week 2 of your qualification period, and let's say you were a VIP 500, okay? If you were a VIP 500, you would be receiving a quarter of your bonus for that week, $112.50, which we will start making manual adjustments starting January 28th in 2 weeks, okay? If you were on week 3, you would get half of your qualified VIP bonus. If you were on week 4, you could get up to 3/4. However, I'm going to put a note in here. However, we will be looking at these because you might have rolled into the new rank bonus and already received a big portion of your bonus. What I want you guys to understand, is that we, corporate, will be making manual adjustments based on your qualification cutoff, which was January 7th, 2022, okay? January 7th, 2022. Very simple, okay? Week 1, nothing because you rolled into the new plan. Week 2, a quarter of your bonus. Week 3, a half of your bonus. And week 4, 3/4 of your bonus, with a note depending what you were paid out, okay? So with that, guys, I know this is, everybody's going to have a unique case. If you have a unique case, please go ahead and email support. However, our customer support representatives will not be responding to these emails until January 28th. Okay. So if you have a VIP transition question, please wait until the 28th. We'll be making adjustments. If you send in an update or a question, we'll be responding on January 28th. Okay. Hope this makes sense to everybody. If it doesn't make sense, we'll give you clarity. Just know from the corporate staff, from the corporate side, we will be making things right for those of you guys that were caught in the middle of any VIP cycle. Okay. So with that, guys, again, the biggest things to take away from this call. Number 1, register for iBEYOND. If you go into the app and you see there's a new button on the dashboard, it says iBEYOND. If you click there, it'll take you to the website. If you go to iBEYOND.us, you can also get there directly. The second thing is the new terms for the new rank bonus plan. And the third thing is the VIP transition. All 3 of those, okay? All 3 of those things are very important that you communicate to your team members, okay? Tell them corporate has a VIP transition plan. Tell them there's new terms that you need to learn and understand. And tell them the most important thing, register for our iBEYOND event on January 29th. With that, guys, thank you so much for being part of our company. If you're not doing so as of yet, follow us on social media, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, subscribe to us on YouTube so you can stay connected with all of our videos, all of our updates, all of our recordings. But with that, guys, I want to thank you for being on the call today. Welcome to 2022. We will see you guys all next week. And don't forget to register for iBEYOND January 29th, Saturday at 9 a.m. Mountain, 9:30 p.m. IST. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys all next week.